So, you've just downloaded WordPress. How to get rid of the not so useful stuff in WordPress? The first thing is some plugins. Some of the people or some cPanels have some automatically installed plugins. So if we go ahead and view my website right here, let's click on advanced, let's click on accept risk. I'm going to be prompted with this page and it's called Hello World. Hello World is simply a template that contains the following. It's a holy doll, which is just symbolizing the hope and enthusiasm of an entire generation summed up with two words, Hello World, basically. It's basically a coding thing and we don't really need it in our website. So to delete a plugin, choose it right here and click delete. This is the first useless plugin. After that, if you don't have the AdSkimmit's anti-spam, I would actually suggest you delete it as well. Because this plugin right here is not really useful if you are not willing to pay for it, even though it's a good thing to keep. But I highly suggest you delete it so that you can speed up your WordPress. Click on delete. The next thing is we're gonna delete a comment. Click on comments, choose the comment from a WordPress comment and click trash. Then head to pages. In the pages section, if you have any like Elementor stuff like this, click on trash as well. If you have a sample page, also trash that. There's no need for that. Go ahead to your posts, click on all posts, find the hello world and click on trash. Now that we have cleared our posts, pages, see if there's anything in your media that you didn't upload or you didn't confirm at, and you'll be good to go. Go ahead and finally head to this section where you're going to find appearance and select the right theme for you. That's basically it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.